At this point, all of our tests have run, which means CDD has done all of the necessary mapping for adaptive testing. Now let's have Test Advisor select a subset of tests to run as part of an execution, and that's going to be based on the heuristics that we described earlier. To do that, we'll edit the Run Test Web Front-End task, and we're going to select the Run a Subset of Test Suites selected by the Test Advisor checkbox. And selecting this checkbox means that Test Advisor is going to select a subset of tests for each execution. And in a large deployment, this can significantly reduce the execution time. And that's the only change we're making to this task, so we're ready to click Save. And now we're ready to run the phase again. To do that, we're going to do another code commit. And again, I'll pause the video and return once CDD receives the change notification from Jenkins. Okay, so CDD received the change notification. That triggered the CI phase to run. And we're going to let the tasks in the phase complete. So let's look at some of the details for the testing task. Remember that last time we had no relevant tests, 2 flaky tests, and 1 must-run test. We still have no relevant tests because the tests are not directly associated with the file I updated in this commit. The flaky tests were eliminated by tags, but we still have 1 must-run test. Because Test Advisor is selecting a subset of tests, we actually only ran 1 test in this execution. That's the test that was flagged as must-run. So we can see that Test Advisor has selected the most relevant subset of tests based on the commit that we just made. Now that we have our tests running successfully and we have a few executions that have completed, we can look at some of the other benefits of Test Advisor and adaptive testing that center around the available analytics.